Right, adventure seekers! Friday, April 5th, Guadalupe Preserve. Right, adventure seekers! Friday, April 5th, Guadalupe Dunes Preserve. Cold, windy, waves are raging. It's not a good day for anything. Not a good day for fishing. Maybe get a little hiking out of it. That's about it. Place is at least open. Give it that. It is a chilly one down here. We'll walk. See if we can find something that's washed up on the beach after all this time. Looks like a crazy amount of jellyfish washed up. That's for sure. A lot of times these things will bring in the whales. Whales love to eat jellyfish. They are all over. Pretty high tide out here today, that's for sure. Not much going on. Have the place to yourself if you're willing to withstand the cold, potential rain. Craziness. Sure is a pretty place for a solo nature hike, though. The way California used to look, I guess. Sand dunes, no people, radical waves, no tracks, no nothing out here. Have the place to yourself if you're willing to brave it. So get on down, Guadalupe Dunes Preserve. Check out the jellyfish, the shells. Not much else so far. Sure would be nice to have my quad down here, that's for sure. But I guess that ain't gonna happen. Alright, stay tuned. Yikes. Look at how many jellyfish washed up. It's nuts. What a collection of them. Ay, ay, ay. That's some radical surf. I don't do any boogie boarding out there. No way. Crazy choppy. Alright. Looks like more rain heading this way. I'm gonna call it. Call it for this hike. Head back. The safety of the truck. Just thought I'd show you. Newly reopened. Guadalupe Dunes Preserve. Come on down. A little nature hiking. All to yourself. Some pretty nice views of the estuary. Not much going on today though. Too cold and wet.